What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another unboxing. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure to throw a like and a comment. I do a ton of videos on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Nike AAE 2.0 jacket. Let's get into it. I purchased this piece off Grail, and it's a super hard piece to find. I think I've only seen maybe one of these or one other one of these. I believe I got them in an XL as well. Gotta be really careful of opening this up. Kind of went into there a little reckless. Alright. Now that it's open, here it is. Just set all this to the side. And it's in a rust pink colorway, which there's a pair of Jordan 1s that I've always wanted, and they're rust pinks. And they're super hard, but they're like really expensive but very limited. As you guys can see, there's the front. And then here is the back. I'm gonna show you guys, this is super dope on the front. I have another AAE jacket that's kind of similar, and it has this mask that has like the Nike swoosh, which is kind of dope, and then you can Velcro, I can lower it. Like I said, super unique, super cool. And then also on this back piece, the reason why it looks very short, because this piece is an XL. So it should be pretty long, but the front is kind of cut off, and then it's Velcroed on the back. So it's Velcroed on the back so you guys can have it longer. You see the other Nike right there, and that's super dope. Also, don't know what you can do with this though. I don't know if I really like this hanging out. I don't feel like they would leave this just hanging out, but it's kind of looking like it is. It's kind of interesting. So you can Velcro it back, like I said. Even then, it's still kind of hanging out. It's kind of a bad design in my opinion. But it looks super dope. Get over to the front a little more, kind of talk about all the pockets. What you have right here is one of your chest pockets. It's like tiny. I don't know what you really fit in here. It's pretty small. This one is also kind of small. Like you couldn't fit a phone or anything. This would be like a wallet. I don't know really how I feel about these. Kind of surprising to me. So I guess you can kind of loosen it like this. It has a two-way zipper. This other side, you have another zipper. It's a two-way zipper as well, which is pretty cool. I don't know really why I would have this though. I guess so you can lower this down. It seems like it goes a little deep in the armpit. I personally wouldn't rock it like that, but it's kind of cool. They do all this stuff for like utility. It has the button so you can kind of adjust it. You can have it loosened or you can have it tightened. Two adjustments, which is cool. Looks good. And then also, I guess, like a little thumb hole. Same on this side, nothing different. And then also, I guess, let me show you guys this on the inside as well, just so you guys can see. This is another NikeLab product. They have the standard white tag with the sideways swoosh. If you guys don't know, like when I say I'm gonna link the product number, it's these numbers right here, and then you guys are just able to look it up. Like on a piece like this, you wouldn't really be able to just search it and find it. You more need the product number. And this kind of tells you everything about it. 83% polyester, 17% nylon. Then it kind of tells you how you would wash it. Look at that correct. It says machine wash cold, wash inside out. Do not use softener, do not allow. So lay on itself when wet, wash with light colors, fasten all closures, wash and dry, remove immediately, do not bleach, tumble dry, low, cool iron, do not iron design, do not dry clean. So this is a piece that I would definitely just put on delicates and just hang dry. But this is also the type of piece that I wouldn't really wear that much, and it also shouldn't really get dirty. Like, I don't know, this piece that would really that much wear out of it. Also, another thing to add, it does have an adjustable hood, and then the Velcro goes pretty far back. I don't know why though. I'm not too sure. I guess you can put this really far. That seems like overkill. I don't know whose head would be like that small to go all the way around. But I don't know. I do really like the Nike swoosh on the front though. I think that looks super good on like the mask. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the quality of this jacket. I think the color is super nice. The pockets, I'm not really a big fan of. And also, like I said, the tab that kind of pulls down and hangs, I'm not really a big fan of that as well. I do believe this retailed at about $300. I'm not 100% sure on the retail price, but I believe it was around $300. I do think it has a little steep back when it released. I think it released in 2018. But I was able to get this off of Grail for I believe $75, something around there, which is a super steal considering you never see this piece at all. And if you guys stay to the end of the video, I will be doing a try on. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. And check out my other videos on Nike Tech and NikeLab. I also do heat unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.
Lab going,